Hi, I'm Mike Stavish, meteorologist with the National Weather Service in Medford, Oregon. This video will provide you with a short explanation of a relatively new buzzword that you may have heard lately, the atmospheric river, or AR. ARs are narrow regions of rich water vapor transport. They span only 10% of the globe, but make up 90% of the moisture transport between the tropics and the mid-latitudes. Remember the term Pineapple Express? This is somewhat of an aging term. ARs are not limited to Hawaiian routes. Pineapple Express events of the past would likely be defined as atmospheric river events today. ARs typically move south to north with roots in the rich moisture regions below about 30 degrees latitude. ARs can become east-west oriented as well. ARs are identified using satellite imagery of total precipitable water. Currently, the polar orbiting satellites are the most useful for this purpose. Other identifying units that you might hear include integrated water vapor and integrated water vapor transport. Here's an example of how integrated water vapor imagery helps us differentiate between very moist versus drier weather systems. In the infrared and water vapor images on the left, the moisture plume may look impressive heading toward the Aleutian Islands. Compare that to the moisture plume further south between Hawaii and the west coast of the U.S. The integrated water vapor imagery on the right easily shows us that this plume contains higher moisture values. National Weather Service forecasters have several new tools to help us identify and forecast ARs, including sophisticated web-based imagery incorporating years of climatology. Increasing skill in AR identification and forecasts are allowing for greater accuracy and lead time in forecasting a variety of high-impact weather events, including heavy rain, heavy snow, rapidly rising rivers and flooding, and debris flows. So keep an ear out for the term atmospheric river, and be sure to check into the National Weather Service forecasts when you do. Thanks for listening, and come and visit us on the web.